Adding more people to your Canva team is the only way to stop passing your password around like a cheap flyer. But if you don't do it right, you'll end up paying way more than you planned. I'm going to show you exactly how to send those invites and manage roles so your brand stays consistent without you doing all the work. Stick around until the end because I have a specific trick for managing your seats that will save you a massive headache when someone eventually leaves your project. The reason you're likely stuck right now is that Canva treats collaboration like a premium club. You can't just add people on a free account because team features are locked behind the pro, teams, or enterprise plans. Think of it like a digital office. You need to upgrade it to a bigger space before you can start putting desks in for other people. If you try to do this on a basic plan, you'll just keep hitting a wall where the invite button should be. To get started, pull up your Canva homepage and look for your profile icon in the bottom corner. Click that and head straight into your account settings. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu section called People Management. Here, select the Invite People option and look for the big purple button that also says Invite People. Once you click it, you just need to type in the email addresses of the people you want to bring in. Before you hit send, check the team roles. You can set them as a member or an administrator. This is important because administrators can change your settings and see every folder, while members are mostly there just to design. After you send the invite, your teammate has 30 days to click the link in their email to join. If they don't have a Canva account yet, they'll be prompted to make one right then and there. Now, here is that pro tip I promise to save you money and stress. Canva allows you to invite up to 100 people, but you are billed for every person you actually add beyond your base plan. To keep your costs down, always check your People tab once a month. If you see an invite that hasn't been accepted for weeks, revoke it so you aren't paying for a ghost seat that isn't being used.